Hi, Rizwana Mundewadi here. Finally, I have deleted my Saatchi art account. After so many years, I had started displaying my art on Saatchi art since year 2009, and I have had more than 700 artworks displayed for sale. Art prints were also available for sale through Saatchi Art Gallery. There have been issues coming up with sales through the gallery because of local shipping and courier issues. So I had to delete my account because it was very difficult to ship artworks through the gallery. I had to take the decision. So in September 2021, I have deleted my Saatchi Art Online account. Art for sale is now only available from my website. There are more than 2500 original paintings that I have stored carefully, and you can buy those paintings from my website razarts.com. Thank you so much for being an important part of my spiritual journey. It was a very emotional decision for me, a very difficult one, because as artists, the gallery portals become like a home for us, and we get so used to alongside with the galleries as they support us, as they share our art to global audience and art collectors, art buyers. It is a relationship which is more than just selling art. It is an emotional bonding between the artist and the art gallery. The Saatchi Art Gallery was very supportive during my early years, and my art got a lot of exposure to a global audience. I have sold one original artwork within the span of these many years and a few art prints through the Saatchi Art Online Gallery. One of my cubism artworks was also chosen as a part of the Rothko collection, and one painting was chosen as a part of the Picasso art collection. And those were the moments of absolute joy. I still feel so much happiness remembering that. Deleting my account was not an easy decision for me, but a sale through the gallery was becoming very stressful instead of bringing joy to me. In spite of having all the legal documents and papers, I was finding it difficult because of issues with the local courier agents. I really don't know why DHL didn't find a way for me. Neither did the Saatchi Art Gallery support guide me for this issue. The gallery takes 30% commission on every sale, which is a very reasonable amount for all the efforts they are putting in. Even with direct sales, it has become very expensive to ship artworks to outside countries, and also PayPal takes a heavy commission on every transfer of funds. It is very easy to say that artists are earning thousands of dollars, but the real fact is there are a lot of hidden expenses behind every sale, which we go through. We also have to make furniture and special arrangements to store the paintings carefully and neatly so that they are saleable and in good condition. The Saatchi Art Online Gallery has their shipping labels and invoices. The certificate also is provided through the gallery. So, actually, it is a very easy process and it has to be hassle free. But I guess it was one of a sore thumb for myself, my case. So, I have decided to move on as a final goodbye. I recorded this video. The Saatchi Art Online Gallery will always have a very precious place in my heart and a very important part of my art journey. And I thank the gallery from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support they have given me over the years. And I hope someday, if I find a way, I would really like to display my art through the Saatchi Art Online Gallery. So I thank each person of the gallery team, the support team, and the curators, the director Rebecca Wilson, for supporting my art over the years and bringing such a wide exposure to my art, which gave me confidence to move ahead and paint more. So, as a last resort, I decided to delete my account because when the art is available for sale, I have to be prepared for shipping it with all the legal documents within 3 days of the order. Being an artist and struggling with our creativity issues and continuing to paint beautiful artworks for the world is a different issue, trust me, and selling art and shipping art is a different issue. After 20 years of making art, I have understood the purpose of an artist is to keep creating and making beautiful art. It is not just for money, it is for the creative energy that is within us, and it has nothing to do with qualifications or being trained as an artist. It is an inner urge and energy that has been given, which needs an outlet, and I need to paint whatever in this digital and social media art world where people are easily copying art, screenshotting, and tampering artworks of different artists and posting as original, and even selling cheap art prints. We, as creative artists, still struggle with our inner thoughts and produce original artworks. Each of my paintings is unique, and you will find that they are original and different from what you see of other artists or you will ever see in many more years to come. I tear the old paintings, I make collages, I burn them. Still, there are more than 2,500 artworks available for sale. I keep repainting them till I am satisfied. I have to thank my art buyers who have connected with my Reiki symbol healing art and added them to transform their lives beautifully. I have more than 500 digital healing paintings. They were displayed on Fine Art America, but I have deleted my Fine Art America account also. With limited resources, I have painted on small papers also. As a healing artist, I have continued to paint and bring joy to the world with my healing artworks. and I will continue with whatever available resources and support I get. Each new symbol that comes in my life brings me so much excitement, and the challenge is to bring in combinations of healing energies to show miraculous life changing results, to bring in the Rothko effect, where people would sit for hours and feel a spiritual purge and cry and understand the emotional effects of art. You can paint 10 paintings, 20 paintings, 50, 100, but the real magic begins after painting for more than 10,000 hours. A different form of creative energy starts flowing and it is expressed over the artworks. So, thank you so much for viewing this video and being such an important part of my art journey. Please do keep encouraging my healing art by sharing my art and buying my paintings. Thank you so much. And thank you very much, each one of you at Sachi Art Online, for all the support and love the gallery has shown towards me over the span of so many years. Thank you very much. And please keep up the good work and keep the portal active so that many artists and new artists get exposure and support through sales from the Sachi Art Online Gallery. As I always say, and I keep repeating, only those the universe chooses will find me, will add my healing art to their lives to experience a joyful and successful life. Reiki healing art is a pure energy art form and is not limited to any religion or any culture. It has universal appeal, and Reiki never hurts or never brings any negative consequences. It is also a pure form of energy art that always brings the best energy for the viewers. I have always painted with positive energy and positive intentions. The outside world or the happenings have never affected my intentions and my art. And all art that I paint is painted to spread good luck and positive energy. I have to thank my art buyers who have connected with my Reiki symbol healing art and added them to transform their lives beautifully. As I continue on this spiritual journey of the Red Pilgrim making healing art, I wish to make simple, colorful, understandable art that heals, and symbols that work. Rizwana Mundewadi wishing you all the best. Bye bye, and please do take care of yourself. Please do visit my website for buying my original paintings, as I am adding fresh art regularly. Thank you so much.